Hello, it's Big Chads, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chads Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I am a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about a pattern called 8 new price lines. Now, there's other variants of this. Bulkowski's got information in this 8 new price lines. I'll show you in a second. There's also 8, 10, 12, 13, and the concept is the same, but I'll show you just the overview from Bulkowski. And just the idea is that you have a new high each time, right? It's 8, here with 8, it's 8 candles in a row, each with a higher high than the previous one. It says here it's supposed to act as a bearish reversal, but it turns out it's really just random. There's really not much value from the pattern, but it's in the textbooks. As you know, I'm recording videos on everything, every concept. If you see it, you want to know what it is, you can look it up. I found an example here. This is on the 1 hour chart. I had to look around a little bit. You don't normally see this, but with a very strong expansion, maybe even like several 4 hour candles, you'll be able to drop to a lower time frame and see it. So here you have new high, new high, new high, new high, new high, new high, new high. This is 9 price lines. But the idea is that it goes along the lines where people think, RSI is overbought. It's supposed to, reverse. But at best, you're maybe just going to get some consolidation. So it's supposed to be a reversal, but here's your move up. Here's your consolidation, and the price continues. So you didn't get a reversal here, but you have 9 new price lines. In this case, the pattern's called 8, but in the book, they split it up, the textbook, 8, 10, 12, for whatever reason. But it's just the idea that new price lines means, higher highs. So you're showing that there's momentum, continuing momentum. Each session is pushing higher, pushing through any resistance that the prior candle has made. Now, you can, of course, look at the candle body closes as well. If you're making these new price lines, this is a very good example of why it would likely continue, because look at the candle closes near the peak. But if you're having a situation where you're having new price lines with really high upper wicks, maybe you wonder, okay, is something going on? We're seeing maybe some weakening momentum, kind of like the advanced block or the deliberation pattern that we've covered in other videos. But in this case, just judging by the candle body progression, nice continued candle body size, but closing near the peak, these candle body closes, these are all suggestive of continuation. This one especially, this beautiful Maribozu. Nice pause, reset, and continuation. But the idea is that it's supposed to be a reversal, but really, just so you know, don't treat it as a reversal. Pay attention to just price versus support. Consolidation's okay. Trends usually consolidate and continue. And this is 8 new price lines for the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chads Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I am a founding analyst. Folks, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Big Chads out.